Happy Thanksgiving. Well, it's a little chilly today, but we are butchering our Thanksgiving turkeys. Okay, Dad's prepping the table. We have the plucker right here. I was making the video. Alright, we do raise our own turkeys especially, and all of our own meat, because we butcher them very humanely. We are very grateful, and we try to give them the best life they can before we eat them. And now we have to decide who's going. But what is the butchering process? We grab them, stick them in a killing cone, cut the neck, then we bring it over and we dunk it in water that's 140 degrees for about 30 seconds, gently agitating it. Then we take it out, stick it in the plucker. And then at that point we start to eviscerate, cut it open, reach your hand in there. Get out all the good stuff that's not good stuff. Try not to rip open the intestines, or what they call the vents, which is basically the poop hole, and get that all over your bird. And then after that, you kind of rinse it out and you're done.
But how do you actually cook this sucker?
So I stuffed it with aromatics, onions, clementines, lemons, celery, and now I'm sticking seasoned butter underneath the skin. As this cooks, what happens is that all the moist aromatics steam it from the inside, and then you put all this fat in the butter all over the white meat, which is typically very dry. And then I'm gonna wash my hands here, and then I'm gonna put bacon all over it, and then on the wings and the legs, whatever, I'm gonna drizzle olive oil, rub that in, and I put salt and pepper and sage and some other spices.